Hello everyone. Today we are going to make cold coffee with ice cream. It's a cool drink for this hot summer. Yes. To begin with, we need four basic things. Chocolate, ice cream, yes of course, coffee, sugar and milk. To begin with, add 1 cup of milk into a mixer grinder. Add sugar 3 tablespoons or as per your taste. Add coffee. Many brands are available in market. You can add as per your choice. Now grind it well into a mixer grinder. Add ice cubes. Grind it again for a while. Take a mug or a coffee jar. Add your coffee into a mug. Now add the chocolate ice cream into your coffee mug. Just dip it into it. If you want, you can add choco chips. This is totally optional. Adding choco chips and ice cubes is totally optional as per your taste. But if you add it, it will look good. Presentation is very important. So your cold coffee with ice cream is ready. You can serve it chilled to your guest. It really looks smashing, tasty. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe and like to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.